let's check this thing out. It is very, very clean. We're going to point out a couple small imperfections here and there, but all of it's really minor. You can see this wheel looks really nice. Got a couple tiny little rock chips here, but most of that looks amazing. All the way across the top, down here on the bottom. You see on that lower rocker, overall looks really good. Once we get down here to the corner, got a couple little chips, a couple little dings, some small cracks in there. Got a rock chip right here, a few more there that have been touched up. See, this weather stripping looks really nice. Roof looks awesome. Got a tiny little scuff right here, little chip there, a few small little chips, a couple that have been touched up, others have not. That door is really nice. This wheel looks awesome. Right here on the fender flare, you can see a small scuff, a little one right there. Then on the entire car, this is probably the biggest imperfection. You have this scratch right here. It's a little deeper right here and not so much up here. That barely catches my nail, and this little spot catches my nail. So on the whole car, that's really the one thing that stands out the most. And then here on the back, you've got a scratch here and a scratch there that have been touched up. The lights look amazing, the bumper looks awesome. Alright, checking out the left side here. See, all of this looks amazing. You do have a little chip here, a little bit of fading on the paint there. And this trim has a couple little chips. Overall, you can see this weather stripping is really clean. When you do get right here to the edge, you can see a couple imperfections. We have a touch-up spot right here. Got a touch-up spot right there. A few little scuffs and scratches, little chips. Overall, that section looks amazing. Wheels look really good. Of course, you're going to have a few little scuffs here and there, but overall the condition is really, really nice. Down here on this lower rocker, you have a couple chips every once in a while. That weather stripping looks really good. Got a few chips here on the edge of the door every once in a while. A couple larger ones here, those have been touched up. A few more here, and those have been touched up. This looks really nice. A few little scuffs here and there on some of that trim. A couple rock chips every once in a while on the side mirror. Have a touch-up spot right here. A little one right there. See, that wheel looks really nice. You have a larger touch-up spot right here and a few more rock chips. Most of them have been touched up, a few others have not. See, that headlight looks amazing. A couple more rock chips that have been touched up. I'm going to try to point out a few of the rock chips every once in a while. A few of these have been touched up, some have not. Here's a couple more down on the end. A few more up high. There might be one or two up there, but overall that looks really good up there. Got another guy right there. A few more here. A couple on the front bumper there. You can see some of this down here. There's kind of like the little spider cracking on the paint. It's all really low, it's hard to see under there. This trim has a couple little notches in it, a few little rock chips. As you can see, this side looks really good. And then checking out the interior, looking at this door panel, all of that looks really nice. See, the power windows work great. This trim looks really nice. You can see this is a little warped, it looks like. Got a little screw kind of holding this trim piece in. But overall, that door panel looks really good. Kick plate area is nice and clean. Checking out this bolster, a little bit of wear right here, and then of course on this edge, a few little scuffs, a couple wrinkles down here, but overall though, those seats look good. We do have a crack right here in the piping and a little rip right there in the leather. Everything else looks nice. Steering wheel looks good. You can see all these gauges. They look really nice. All these buttons look good. See the Momo shifter. See, all of that looks good. And then here in the back, when you take the cover off the top section here, you can see the seats. Overall, they look really good. It looks like you have a tiny little rip on that seat. And then of course the indentions from it kind of touching the belt buckle. Put that cover on there. That looks really good. Checking out this seat, you do have some wear right here on the piping. It looks like it's kind of chipped away. A little wear here on the bolster. That side actually looks really good. See a couple little imperfections here, some small cracking in the leather, and once again some chipping on there on that pipe work. That carpet looks really good. You can see this kind of has a little bit of warping look to it. It still opens. Panel looks really nice. Kick plate area looks good. Overall, very clean.